Hello friends, this is Dilip Namdev. So today I am going to tell you about how to configure InterVLAN in Cisco routers or L3 switches. So before configuring, we should understand that what is InterVLAN and why it is used. So basically on a VLAN, no host can communicate with host within other VLANs. It means only hosts that are member of same VLAN can communicate with each other. So if we want that our VLAN host can communicate to each other, so we must configure inter-VLAN routing using a Cisco router or L3 switch. So before configuring, we also confirm another thing that the switch or router that we are using is compatible or can support ISL, means inter-switch link, which is Cisco proprietary protocol, or IEEE 802.1q frame for routing. So now I'm configuring my Cisco router for inter-VLAN. So I'm accessing my router. Before accessing router, I think we should create some VLANs in our switch. So I'm accessing my switch and I'm going to privilege access mode and going to global configuration mode. Now I'm creating some VLANs, VLAN 2. Now VLAN 2 I'm assigning name engineering, VLAN 3 name it is sales, VLAN 4 name IT, VLAN 5 name HR. Now I have created some VLANs in my switch, so I ensure that VLAN database has been created or not. So type show VLAN brief. Now we have 4 VLAN: engineering, sales, IT and HR. So now I have created some VLANs in my switch. So I'm going to my router for inter-VLAN. I'm going to privilege access mode and going to global configuration mode. Now I go to interface configuration mode, and now I'm checking which interface is connected to switch. Gigabit 0/0, gigabit 0/0, sorry. Now IP, interface. I'm creating some virtually interfaces for VLAN 0.1 encapsulation.1q. Now I have to provide VLAN ID for this interface. So I am giving VLAN ID 2, means engineering, for this interface, for this virtual interface. Now I am typing IP address. Now I have some IP addresses that I am using some subnetted IP addresses, which is net ID 192.168.10.9, 192.168.10.9, and subnet mask is 255.255.255.248. Now exit. Now I am creating another virtual interface dot 2. It is for encapsulation dot 1q. It is for VLAN 3, means sales. Now IP address 192.168.10.17, subnet mask, exit. Now interface gigabit 0/0.3, encapsulation.1q. VLAN is 2, 3 and 4. IP address 192.168.10.25 sorry 255 258 exit interface gigabit 0/0 dot now 4 means fifth VLAN encapsulation dot 1q fifth VLAN and IP address 192.168.10.33 subnet mask. Now I have created some virtual interfaces for VLANs. So now I'm creating DHCP server for each VLAN. So IP DHCP pool engineering network 192.168.10.8 net ID. Now it is fine, net ID. Network mask 248 default gateway 192.168.10.9. Now another DHCP for sales VLAN IP DHCP pool sales network 192.168.10. Second network net ID is 16. Subnet mask default gateway 17 exit IP DHCP pool. Another is IT and network is 192.168.10.24 255 default gateway 192.168.10.25 exit IP DHCP pool and another one is HR network 192.168.10.32 248 default gateway 192.168.10.32. Oh my, sorry, it is default gateway is 33. Now I have created DHCP for each VLAN. Now I try to access. So it is not getting IP address via DHCP server. So one configuration is missing in my switch. So I am accessing my switch and I'm going to global configuration mode and assign this link which is connected to router to trunk FA 0/1. So interface FA 0/1 switch port mode trunk. Now I have assigned this to trunk. Now I have also assigned these PCs to I have also assigned VLANs to these PCs also. It is 0/2 and 3 engineering VLAN. So interface range FA 0/223 switch port access VLAN 2 exit interface range FA 0/425 switch port access VLAN 3 exit interface range FA 0/627 switch port access VLAN 4. Now exit interface range FA 0/829 switch port access VLAN 5. Now I have assigned VLANs to these PCs. Now one more thing that I have to do, interface VLAN 2. Now two VLAN access IP via DHCP So IP address DHCP, it is completed. Interface VLAN 3, IP address DHCP, that's it. Interface VLAN 4, IP address DHCP, that's it. Interface VLAN 5, IP address DHCP. Now it is completed. Now try to access that. Now this PC is accessing IP by DHCP server. Another one. It is also accessing IP address. It is also 19. Within this range, it is accessing VLAN 2 ID, VLAN 2 IP address. Now VLAN 3, 27. Now it is working. Now all are accessing IP via DHCP. And one more thing that I should confirm, I should ensure that all VLANs are working, are communicating to each other or not. So HR to sales. Now first packet is dropped, second. Now it is success. Now it is working fine, no issue. It is working fine. You can also ping. You can also check by ping. Ping 192.168.10. Which one is this? IP is 12. 102. Now it is pinging, means it is communicating to each other. So thanks for watching.